Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, what we're going to talk about is the best way to make passive income online. So, cue the intro and let's get right into it. Passive income isn't what most people think, where you press a button and just money starts flowing into your bank account just like that. It's just like magic, and those people are just lucky and they have very rich parents and it just gets right into their bank account. That's not how it actually works. People actually have to put in the work. If you want to earn passive income like a lot of people talk about on YouTube and on internet in general, most people try and make it look like it's really simple and it's just perfect and it's magic and everything like that. However, that's not true. You actually have to put in the work. Passive income is something where you make money even while you sleep, and no matter if you're eating, sleeping, going out with some friends, it can make you money. And that actually exists. It's true, it's real. Millions of people have actually done it. However, you have to put in the work beforehand. Just like I'm making this video, for example, I'm making this video, and if you watch it a week from now, a year from now, you'll still be able to watch that video. But that's because I put in the work beforehand. And that's passive income in general. To make passive income, you actually have to put in the work. And it's not just making a video, it's planning the video, making the video, filming it, editing it, making the thumbnail, adding in the description, the keywords. All these things take a lot of work because you see me just putting videos out every day, but you don't see the work that actually goes behind it. And that's just an idea. There are a ton of different income streams that you can have, passive income, but that's just the idea. Every single one of them requires work beforehand and then you get paid. But at the beginning, it just takes some work. I really wanted to get that out of the way because so many people think it's just a simple thing where money flows into your bank account. It doesn't really work like that. So now that that's out of the way, I'm going to tell you the best way to do this. First of all, you must have an offer. An offer can be an affiliate offer, just like I do a lot of the time because that's one of my favorite income streams. But you can have your own product, you can have a ton of things, but you have to have an offer. Now, if you're just getting started and you just want to grow your fan base, that's okay if you don't have an offer, but just think about it beforehand, what you will be able to sell if you're starting a YouTube channel, an Instagram account, or something like that. And that goes into point number 2. You must create content in a specific niche. So you really have to choose your niche, no matter what it is, and make content around it which is actually valuable. Just try and help people. And if you already know this and you know that you have to make content but you haven't started yet, what are you waiting for? You really need to get started. This is the number one reason why people don't even make any money, is because they just don't start. So if you know this, just get started and watch till the end of the video because it's going to help you out. But once this video has come to an end, don't watch anything else. Don't watch any of my videos. Don't watch any video that some other person is making either. Just get into it and start making your first piece of content. So choose your niche and make some content around it. Content is key. That's what's going to build trust, rapport, and basically your fan base. So build a brand around that. Branding is key. That's the kind of the next step that I wrote down in my notes. You really have to build a brand. So show what you're about and make some content that's based around that. Have your ideal audience and make content around that specific audience, and then other people will come to that. So how do you provide value? You have to do your research. Maybe you're already an expert. In that case, that's perfect. If that's not the case, you have to research. You have to watch YouTube videos and learn as much as possible. YouTube videos, blogs, articles, all these things that are in your niche, and make sure that you learn. And then all you have to do is you have to replicate what you learned and put it out there and make content about it. Make a video, make something. All you have to do is share it. So share what you learn, watch the videos, but take notes, learn everything, and just put it out there. Obviously, you want to implement it, but that's the key to it. You just have to learn and then share the value that you've learned. Because people don't want to watch a ton of videos and just learn from that. They want to learn from somebody that's actually learned the stuff and that can provide as much value as possible, just like I'm trying to do right now. So just do that if you're trying to build a brand. The next step, once you start getting a bigger audience, is to build an email list. How do you build an email list? You do that by offering something for free. So it can be a free PDF, helping out on a bunch of stuff. It can be a software that's really cheap for you. It can't cost you so much money that you can't give it out for free. You have to have something that's valuable but that you can give out for free. So you say in your video that, okay, link below, you enter your email and I'll give you X, Y, and Z. And that's where people are going to enter the email and they get the free stuff that you just talked about. You don't want to not give them that. You want to give them as much value as possible and give them that free stuff. When you have an email list, it's so much easier because you can send people whatever you want. But you have to provide value. So keep sending them value and value and value so that they're excited about your videos. They're excited about getting emails from you. And you can send them to an Instagram post, to a YouTube video, to whatever you want. Maybe it's an offer. An offer is so valuable if you gave them some content before that they actually enjoyed. Then you can give them an offer and they will really like their offer and they'll likely buy from you. So keep that in mind. An email list is awesome. So this was kind of a short video. I hope you enjoyed it. Keep these tips in mind, but make sure that you really get started. During this video, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting every single day apart from the weekend for right now. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.